everyone, it's Maureen and welcome back to the channel. We have the Sienna Techwoven Case. I'm so excited to film this while we're hiking so that you guys can see how it looks like in the fall foliage. So we've hiked here before, but in the winter. I think I filmed the iPhone 16e. So it's currently 75 degrees. We are on our 1.65 mile here with the Apple Watch Series 11. It's looking great so far. The easiest color out of all the Techwoven cases that has been released to match with the cosmic orange. I took the aluminum gold pop socket off so that you guys could see the beauty of the Sienna. There's a swan. Look at angel swan. So the feeling of it reminds me of a fabric, like a heavy duty fabric. Feels grainy. Some people that reviewed this case thinks that the sides are kind of cheap, but I don't think so. It looks great with a plain coloring there. Left this back as a different texture. The back looks like a hint of like brown slash kind of orangey color with different angles here. That's why it goes really well with our cosmic orange iPhone. Still so happy that I got the cosmic orange. I collect a gazillion of cases. I think this is the time for me to stop buying them. Maybe that's the reason why I got the cosmic orange, because it's hard to pair them with other colors. It's not as grippy as the silicone case. Ooh, this color's right here. Matches perfectly. We're in 2 miles now. When I decided to get the cosmic orange, it triggered the artistic side of me. We're gonna have so much fun finding the right color for the cosmic orange. I'm very excited, and we're just gonna start with the simple one, which is the Sienna, because it's so easy to match the cosmic orange iPhone. Look at the beauty of the North Country Trail. Usually October in Michigan is cold, and we're supposed to be wearing thick clothing, but no, not today. It scares me because winter might be bad. Look at these ferns. They're too brown. Ooh, there's the sun. Wow, this is magical. Buttons are so amazing. It's very soft. Camera control is still heaven's gift. Pine tree. For protection, this case definitely has a grip to it. Definitely will protect your phone if you drop it. I feel like the Techwoven case is delicate and I'm scared to drop it, but I'll let you guys know. And since this is like a bit expensive, I'm always gonna be careful. Bottom is covered. Like the feel of this better than the fine woven one, because the fine woven feels a little bit slippery. Maybe because of the texture in the back and a bit of like some sort of grip on the sides of the case. In the last 3 weeks, if it was 3 weeks already, I don't even see any dirt. I got this wet. It dried so quick. Hiking today almost for 2 hours. Don't see any kind of smudge or anything like that. For that 3 weeks I haven't cleaned this. It's still looking great. Maybe because it's brown, that's why it doesn't really catch a lot of dirt, but probably if a lighter stain, definitely you would see it. Showing you guys the case that I got from Five Below. It was amazing. There was a bit of like problems with the MagSafe, but I put it back. I just need a glue to stick it back on. I would love to hear your favorite fall iPhone case. If you have the Cosmic Orange, what case did you get? Did you get the silver or the blue iPhone? What your favorite iPhone case for the iPhone 17 Pro Max? If you have a Techwoven case, what color did you get? I kind of like the green ones to match with the Cosmic Orange. That is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching and joining us in hiking the North Country Trail with the Sienna and the Cosmic Orange iPhone. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day and night, and I will see you on my next hike. Bye!